I bought the switch from Home Depot, then I box it. I box the switch because I cannot reach out under. So I made the switch. You look at this. This is a working table. You can pound everything here. This is too thick, but this is convertible. Look at this, huh? Then, this is the switch, huh? I made, there is a hanger here. Look here. You can hang it here. The switch. There. Yeah, yeah. And look, over here. There, huh?
Wow.
So I can this wait a minute. I'm going to raise the blade.
So what do you call this table?
This is I'm going to raise the blade. Ay, inihigitan ko pala. Inihigitan ko.
Di bali, edit na lang natin.
There, huh? There. It is not a hot item yet.
I-edit na lang natin.
I-edit mo na lang. Bawasan mo yung kwan. Masyadong mahaba eh.
Ipopost natin to. How to DIY your table. Anong tawag dyan? Table? So table? Anong tawag dyan?
Working table.
Hindi, may tawag dyan. Table saw.
Table saw. Air convertible. I put the
Convertible.
stopper here. Look. So I don't have to reach out and put it on every time. It is impossible for you to do that. So I put it. Now this is the switch
Be careful.
that I made. Look. This is a guide. I made this as a guide, like this.
Ganyan. Para pagka, hindi alam ni nila paano hihiwain yung ano yan.
And I use this
Bili na lang akong table saw.
for guide, so I can do like this. Wait a minute, I'm gonna example here. For instance, this one here. You can do like this now.
Tama na! Ang ingay!
Eh, syempre.